finished. This is baby's house, which is right beside the two lots that had the two trailers, which is 234 Cumbie. That's baby's house right there. And this is the two lots that you took the trailers off of, the trailers that were side by side. The one on the left is the one we just tore down, and the one on the right is the first one we done. So this is the one that was just tore down. This is the one that we tore out first. And there goes baby's house. So that's it. Tore down and hauled off. So there goes baby house. And I'm going down the road.